Note-taking is essential to success in college, but can be a very overwhelming skill to learn. Luckily, there are simple ways we can look at note-taking that can make the process a little bit more manageable. So why do we take notes? Well, for one, they help keep us engaged and focused during class and allow us to really remember and retain what we've learned. They also give us a permanent record of what we've learned to use for future classes. And they give us a sense of control over our learning. We can't always control the professor we have or the textbook we have to use, but we can control how we consume information and how we take notes. So, what makes up good notes? Good notes include just the right amount of information, not too much, not too little. Good notes are also notes that we use regularly, not just before a test, but before, during, and after class as well. Good notes are notes that are legible. They can be both read and understood. And good notes include helpful information. They include the information that we need to be successful in the class and the information that our professors are expecting us to know. So how should we take notes? There really isn't a right answer to this question. We all have different learning styles, and so therefore how we take notes is going to look differently as well. It's okay if your notes look differently than the classmates that's sitting next to you. And it's okay if your notes look differently depending on the class that you're in. We encourage you to take time to try different methods and figure out what works for you. And we're gonna go over some different methods today that you can give a try. The first one is called an outline. This form of notes works best for lectures that follow a clear structure, and it's really helpful because it highlights the main ideas in a really logical way, and it helps keep our notes organized and easy to follow. The Cornell method can be used for any type of lecture and meetings as well, and it really helps with the learning process because it allows us to extract the main ideas and summarize the information in our own words. The boxing method is best for classes that are split into different sections but are still related, such as a biology lecture and lab. It also works well for math classes that have formulas and charts, and it's helpful because it allows us to focus on one topic at a time and can help us memorize the relationship between those different topics. The charting method is more so for when you're studying as opposed to taking notes during class, and it's helpful because it allows us to see a lot of information in one place and allows us to memorize that information more quickly. And it's also a great way to compare info, such as different theories that you may learn in a psych class. So we hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more information about any of the methods we touched on today, feel free to see the link in the description below.